Also, in this self haircut, I'm going to be doing something different with the guideline sequence. In the previous self haircut, you guys saw that I did the guidelines all at once. So I did the guidelines first, and then I went over and faded in everything afterwards. But in today's self haircut, and this is the way that I prefer and that I recommend you guys do, which is put in the first guideline first, and then fade in the first guideline, put in the second guideline next, fade in the second guideline, put in the third guideline, and then fade in the third guideline, okay? So it's going from guideline to fading to guideline to fading to guideline to fading. So in the last self haircut, I went guideline, 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 and then I went fade, 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 okay? I don't necessarily recommend that way for self haircuts, so I'm gonna show you in today's self haircut exactly why I recommend going guideline, fade, guideline, fade, guideline, fade, and why this is my preferred sequence when it comes to utilizing the guards and cutting your own hair.